To make an origami pig, take a square piece of paper and fold the top and bottom edges over so they meet at the center. Fold all four corners over to the central fold, then reverse them. Fold them back to the front so your paper has two triangular ends. Fold the points in so they meet at the center to make a square, then unfold them again. Unfold the corners and flatten them along the creases to create four triangles. Fold the whole paper in half again along the central fold so that the triangles are on the outside. Fold the inner half of each triangle in half to make the pig's feet. Fold the outer half of the triangle on the left side upwards so it's parallel to the leg, then unfold it and turn the triangle inside out along the crease you just made. Fold the inner point out to make the tail. Fold just the tip of the outer right-hand triangle over, then unfold it, and push the crease inward to make the snout.